The original Braun MultiQuick 5 was one of my favorite hand blenders, so it is new version even better. Let's check it out. Hi everyone, I'm Tina and welcome back to our Shouldit Blender Series. Today we unboxing the Braun MultiQuick Vario hand blender. We got it for around $70. It's highly rated on Amazon recently, so let's see what it offers. First, we got the instruction. It shows you exactly how to set up and use the blender step by step. And next, we have blending stick. It's made of stainless steel with two bronze blades. Around the blade, there's a bell-shaped guard. This part is designed to prevent food from splashing everywhere. And for the extra, you got a whisk, a mixing beaker, and a food processor. To use, you should attach this stick to the main body. The process is simple thanks to the easy click system. Just slide them up, press them together, it locks in with a click. To take them apart, press the buttons and pull it out. Super smooth. Regarding the body, it's made of quality plastic and has non-slip padding. It's powered by a 400-watt motor, which is strong enough to handle soups, sauces, and fresh foods. I really like how sturdy it feels. The blender features 21 speed settings. You control them with this dial on the top. And on the front, we have two buttons. One is for regular blending. When you press it, the blender runs at the speed you choose on the dial. And the other is the turbo button. It gives maximum power no matter what speed you set on the dial. Now we'll turn the blender on to see how the speed controls work. The cord is long enough and the blade has two prongs. It's really easy to use. Just twist the dial, press the button, and you're blending. When I press the turbo, I can feel the extra power kick in very fast. Now let's give the blender a test run with some fresh foods, but remember to clean it with soapy water first. Blending was easy. I only used one hand, but it stayed steady the whole time. The handle didn't slip while blending. The dial is smooth and super simple to turn. I slowly moved the blender around the cup and it handled everything nicely. No mess, super clean. The ingredient blended fast. I really love how smooth the result turned out. That's the Braun MultiQuick Vario hand blender unboxed. We'll test it out soon, so don't forget to subscribe for the full review. Thanks for watching Shouldit and see you next time. Bye!